south of France, where the mountains funnel the wind to create the legendary Tramontana, a ruthless, dry, and cold wind that, if conquered, can soar you to great heights or can mercilessly break you. This march to town of Barcarès became the arena where the most skilled riders battled it out.
Here we are at the 2026 Lords of Tram event in France. We've got 6 riders competing here at Harlem. Let's hope we can get a strong presence on the podium. Here we go. Lana has made her way all the way up to the final. Her signature extreme big air kite loops with the kite really level, standing out from the other riders. Once again, Leonardo Casati finds himself in the final here.
From Slovenia, Lana Herman. Well done, Lana. Leonardo Casati. Great job, Leonardo. Well done.